Hello guys, gokane gwage Keno TV ni na niega geto Triple M favored. Dimuririkanie okoro dokirorage subscribe, ku like na ku share cheka wagwe kogwo nigetha rira twakoro tukirekereria video oyothe wakoro we mundu wa mbere gukorwo ukirorera. Riu ni ndagioka nigetha ndimumenyithie mare maragethi na mbere nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria na matuko matathiangite. PHYLLIS MBUTHIA gutrend na njira nene ni tondu wa YouTube channel yake gukorwo ikihakwa. Leo ni acokete nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria na kaundu kangi karia korirwo akiuga ati gakumakania na karia mafans mokite na njira nene na kugegio muno makiria ni tondu wa uhoro uyu. Riu ni atia kuhanekire ndimwire ati PHYLLIS MBUTHIA ni mukinye igoti-ini na agakorwo agicukirwo mahitia ma defamation. Defamation ni gukorwo kiaria ndeto cia maheni ciege mundu fulani nigetha ukorwo ukimuthukiria ritwa. Ugo niguo PHYLLIS MBUTHIA acukirwo ni tondu wa gwika uguo, no tutikioe ni defamation ya muthemba uriku no rirakorwo akimutwara igoti-ini ni atia arabanga uhoro wake na mundu gwitwo PHYLLIS MBUTHIA. No kindu toy ni ati PHYLLIS MBUTHIA ni akorirwo akiuga nenda-ini ciake cia ukinyaniria ati nioe no wakorirwo ukihack YouTube channel yake na akiuga ati ni murata wake wa giti kia mbere na akoretwo akimuteithia na njira nene na ari mundu wa mbere kumuhurira thimu kumwira ati nyimbo ciake ni cirakorwo cikiaga thiini wa YouTube channel. Riu PHYLLIS MBUTHIA augete ati na ngikuote uria akorirwo akiandika akorwo akiuga just when I thought I had recovered and moved on, someone has moved to a lawyer and sent me claims that I defamed them and has to be paid. Ugo ni wa PHYLLIS MBUTHIA akorirwo akiandika undu uria urehete mafans kururugana kana kuihurira mwena wa comment section makiuga giki ni kindu giakiha muno na ihoru kurio amu PHYLLIS MBUTHIA ndari oria mundu ona umwe na ni tondu wa YouTube channel yake ria akorirwo kihako nikio akorirwo agiuka nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria. He mundu uretwo Mathe Mwihaki Hinga uria akorirwo akiuga ati PHYLLIS MBUTHIA anika huyu mtu na kama unaogopa kumwanika niambie nitawaambia ni akina nani na ukorwo akirarumiriri yake. Riu maundu makihana uguo kugwo nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria ndimuthemere oro hanini screenshot ino iria PHYLLIS MBUTHIA akorirwo agituma nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria na akorwo akiuga ati o niguo mundu ucio uramutumeire maratathi maya thini wa 14 akorwo akiuga that in terms of special damages therefore our client claims as follows: 1. Payment of punitive and aggravated or exemplary damages for libel in the sum of Kenya shillings 499,500. 2. Mundu akorwo akiuga arenda an apology in terms of test approved by our client to be published in a manner as prominent as the offending message. Usho ni uhoro wa defamation. Nige 15 akakuga take notice, our instruction are to demand from you as we hereby do that you confirm to us in writing within the next 7 days that: Number 1, payment of punitive and aggravated or exemplary damages for libel in the sum of Kenya shilling 499,500. 2, an apology in terms of a text approved by our client to be published in a manner as prominent as the offending message. C, you admit liability to act accordingly forthwith. D, you shall respond to our client's wishes according as herein stated. Then 16, we regret that unless we receive the amount stipulated herein and an apology within the stipulated period, time being of essence, we have strict instruction to institute court proceedings against you to ensure that the ends of justice are met. Ogwa niguo akorirwo agituma screenshot iyo iria akorirwo agitumirwo maratathi macio ni mundu gwitwo lawyer ya mundu ucio urakorirwo kimucuka ni tondu wa defamation. Na kesi ni tametho akorirwo akiuga ni akorirwo akimuteithiria na akorirwo akiuga ati tupatane kotini niguo akorirwo akira PHYLLIS MBUTHIA ni kuonania ati ari na njamba iria cigukorwo cikimunyitirira. Thengia muno tondu wa support yanyu. Tucemanie in my next video. Nie njitagwo Triple M favored.